श्री सिमरनजीत सिंह मान जी, श्री सिमरनजीत सिंह जी, जी आप प्लीज प्लीज बैठ जाइए, बैठ जाइए प्लीज, हो गया, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है। अब वर्षाकालीन सत्र है, थोड़ी गड़गड़ाहट, थोड़ी बारिश, ये लग रहा है कि होना ही है। बैठिए बैठिए, अभी अरे कई, बैठिए तो सही, बैठ जाइए, बैठिए आप तो बैठिए। अब 12-13 दिन तो केवल गड़गड़ाहट हुई है, अब थोड़ी बूंदाबांदी हो रही है, उसका आनंद लीजिए, कड़वाहट मत करिए प्लीज जी।
Mr. Chairman, sir, this motion has not been brought about by the Congress party. This no trust motion has not been brought about by the Congress party. It has been brought about by the entire opposition. We are very, very pained with what is happening in Manipur. Christian churches have been burnt and women have been paraded naked. One of the women is the wife
जी व्यवस्था बनाए रखें,
of a subedar
व्यवस्था बनाए रखिए
who fought in the war against Pakistan, and it is shameful. The other thing is that the majoritarians in Manipur have looted an armory. Now, what does the majoritarians want by looting an armory? They have the whole armed forces, they have the whole government, they have everything. But why should the armory be looted by the majoritarians? And the other thing is that the Punjab and Haryana High Court has passed the orders in Haryana that there is ethnic cleansing of the minorities in Haryana. The Rohingyas and other Muslim houses have been demolished by bulldozers. And the High Court says, apparently without any demolition order and notices, the law and order problem is being used as a ruse to bring down buildings without following the procedure established by law. And the problem is that there is an exercise of ethnic cleansing. Now, these are very, very serious charges by the Haryana and Punjab High Court. Moreover, there have been Sikh killings all over the world. I want to remind the Chair that Deep Singh Sidhu was killed in Haryana. Moosewala was killed in the Punjab. Avtar Singh Khanda has been killed in the UK. Hardeep Singh Nijjar has been killed in Canada. Paramjeet Singh Panjbad has been killed in Pakistan. Ripudaman Singh Malk has been killed in Canada.
Please come to the subject only.
Sir, I am telling you the pain that we are feeling, and I come from a minority. Let me say represent my people. Don't shut me out, please. And journalist Dhiram Bhagat was killed in 1988. 25 Sikhs were killed in Kabul Gurdwara in 2020, and the NIA was ordered to investigate these killings. We do not have a report of those killings as yet. And 43 Sikhs innocents were killed in Chitti Singhpura of Kashmir in 2000. We have had no report about these killings. And 2 Russian dissidents have been killed in Odisha recently. So my humble request is that these atrocities must end. Thank you very much.
श्रीमती सुनीता दुग्गल जी।